So it's 7 in the morning, I'm on my way to London, I'm on a GWR train. Hornby have already sent me a welcome gift in the form of a box which contained a model railway to go around your Christmas tree, and a lovely invite, some stickers and a nice postcard, and it was in the most amazing box. So yeah, that was cool. So I have no idea what they have in store for us today, but let's go check it out.
Mind the gap between the train and the platform.
This is Paddington.
Hello, how you doing?
Are you traveling with us today?
Yeah, you're
Pullman?
Alex Fletcher.
Yeah, lovely.
You look. Morning.
Morning.
Are you all right?
Just doing a lovely strawberry gin royale.
Yeah, I think I'll treat myself. Thank you very much.
Just leave it all up to me. I'll show you what it's all about. You don't have to be.
They've arrived at the right carriage.
Yeah. Oh right, okay. She's clean.
Start moving. Yeah.
The first probably hour first London.
Wow. Is this how they make it whistle? Yeah. Oh.
There we go.
Fabulous.
Have a look. We're here all day, so
Yeah,
we've got time.
exactly.
We do more.
I've even got like a yellow submarine train car. That's so cool.
So my name is Hector, I'll be with Freddie, so if you guys need anything at all, please let us know.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome on board the British Pullman. You are travelling in Zenith, which was built in 1928, part of the Bournemouth Bell. And then it kind of moved over to a kind of variety of different Pullman routes before being retired in the late 60s. There's no one sat there, aren't they? Big pardon.
Carry on.
Yeah, we'll share it.
Of course, yeah. But this carriage was featured in 2 movies. So in the mid-1970s, it was featured in a movie by Agatha Christie. And then more recently, it was also featured in Paddington 2.
Yes.
So you might recognise some of the interior and the decorations from that.
Sort of reels and how they got that scrolling feature.
Yeah, well, they stole it off
Yeah,
TikTok, didn't
well,
they,
it's it.
initially? And it's because it's done well.
Yeah. 3,
Wait,
2.
that's like this camera.
Everyone check.
There we go. Right, we're going 3, 2, 1. Way! Oh my god! Honestly, hi folks. I've got a Christmas hat on. I have never been in such a nice. Look at this. How fancy is that? Look at the floor. That is beautiful. That is something, really something else.
That is your career that you know.
that they don't actually do anything.
You've definitely got to get this in. That looks really
Bit of
good.
beef.
Bit of beef.
Love a bit of beef.
You have to get
Just there, ready? I'm going to put him back on. Yeah, it's fine.
Welcome back.
Thank you.
It's really Titanic, isn't it? We're in a little VIP lounge. Look, is this where you are? We never got in here.
You guys alright here? Good, yeah.
Everyone on the train gonna get
Oh.
and then the
Last Christmas, I remember we had a couple of things about packaging, and I went just in case.
Chestnuts roasting on an open fire. Jack Frost nipping at your nose. Yuletide carols being sung by a choir, and folks wrapped up from head to toe. Different seats.
So, Scotland.
Oh, what's that?
That is cool.
Is that coming out of the sounds coming out of?
Yeah, the sound.
I was literally going, is there speakers? I've got a speaker set up.
Coming out there.
It's all fake, it's all fake.
Right, slow it down. Slow down. Chuck will slow down. Brakes will squeal. Here we go again. Products. But what we've done, we've packaged it how we packaged train sets in the late 1780s. And the theory here is that this retro feel, this is the dad, the child, the haircut that goes with it. It feels really fun. So like the product experience is exactly the same. But this is like really.
This is security. Beware. It pockets confidence in this station. Please keep your belongings with you.
So the day is done. I'm on my way back to Frome. I'm just sat on the station at Paddington, and it's been an exceptional day. The Belmond train was just insane. The British Pullman, it was such quality. Really, really nice experience. The staff were great. The food was great. Very luxurious. And it was obviously great to be behind a steam locomotive, behind the clan line. Hearing that 3-cylinder beat as you're going down the main line is unbeatable. Big shout out to Hornby and Stripe, their PR team, for setting it up. Hopefully, if I played my cards right, you should be seeing some more collaborations with them moving forward, which is really exciting. Yeah, just on the whole, it's been a really, really good day. I got a goodie bag. They're usually good days. So yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.